SQL shortcuts. 1. General shortcuts. Select asterisk from table. Right pointing arrow selects all columns. Select column 1, column 2 from table. Right pointing arrow selects specific columns. Select distinct column from table. Right pointing arrow returns unique values. 2. Filtering data. Select asterisk from table where column equals value. Right pointing arrow. Filters rows. Select asterisk from table where column like %value %. Right pointing arrow finds partial. Matches. Select asterisk from table where column between value 1 and value 2. Right pointing arrow finds range. Select asterisk from table where column in value 1, value 2. Right pointing arrow matches multiple values. 3. Sorting and limiting. Select asterisk from table order by column ASC. Right pointing arrow sorts ascending. Select asterisk from table order by column DESC. Right pointing arrow sorts descending. Select asterisk from table limit 10. Right pointing arrow limits to 10 rows. 4. Aggregation and grouping. Select count asterisk from table. Right pointing arrow counts rows. Select sum column from table. Right pointing arrow sum of column values. Select AVG column from table. Right pointing arrow average of values. Select column count asterisk from table group by column. Right pointing arrow groups by column. 5. Joins. Select asterisk from table 1 inner join table 2 on table 1.id equals table 2.id. Select asterisk from table 1. Left join table 2 on table 1.id equals table 2.id. Select asterisk from table 1 right join table 2 on table 1.id equals table 2.id. 6. Subqueries. Select column from table where column equals select max column from table. 7. Modifying data. Insert into table col1, col2, values, val1, val2, update. Table set column equals new underscore value, where condition. Delete from table where condition. 8. Creating and altering tables. Create table ident primary key, name var 100, alter table. Table add column underscore name data underscore type, drop table.